Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at the logo or picture of portfolio income. So what this means for the print on demand section called portfolio income. And what this means is that I'm going to be doing slogans, logos, and sayings. You can put on your hats or your caps, your mugs, your hoodies, your jackets, and anything else you want to put it on. Uh, and the platform I recommend is Printful, because they give you a free account and they train you as well to do this business, which is a passive business. Okay, so you don't have to be there 24, be there 8 to 10 hours or whatever every day. You don't have to be doing that. No, this takes a lot less time. And once you find but you don't cry over the losers, you get rid of them and just until you do keep doing losers until you find winners, and that's what you do. And that's how this works, right? Um, and you don't go starting to say, "Oh, there's no money in it. Oh, I don't want to." No, you don't do that either, right? Because passive income is the best income there is. There is nothing better. Active is crap. Okay, that's what I call it. It's rubbish. Because you've got to be there. You've got to be present. Present. You're caged. You're like a dog tied to a post, and it's a horrible place to be in. Anyway, this is about print on demand, so let's get on with it, shall we? Let's come up with some sayings and get onto it. So here we go. Okay. Um, let's see. See, I've got to look down because I am not a typist, right? I can't, I've got to look at the two keys to see the make sure I'm doing it right, because I still make mistakes even when I do that. So, and this is how it is, right? This is how it is for me, right? That's the way it is. So here we go with the first. Oh, there's the first one, right? That's the first one. Yeah. So here we go with the first one. And here we make a mistake again. So that's the first one, right? The portfolio income, right? Here's the first one. The portfolio income of the wealthy comes from passive income assets. That's very true. They don't invest in anything that doesn't give them an income. Where the money is. They don't park their money, and if they do, it's for capital gain, and that's how they would work that one. But usually it's this: they have assets like real estate and stuff like that. They do a lot of that. They do some of that. There's a guy called what's his name? He's a multi-millionaire, billionaire, I think. Um, he's got his own private jet. He does this one. He does real estate, yeah, and he gets people to fund it for it. Yeah, he's Grant Cardone is his name. So that's the one guy. I mean, he works with passive income assets. nothing else. And that's real estate for him. Okay, so that's how that one goes. And what do other people do? Well, these people, these people here who think they're very smart, they really think they're very smart, these people, they really do. They think they're just that cut above everybody else. Well, I got news for them. They're bloody not, you see, because they do it wrong, man. They do it really wrong. They really do. Because this is what the professionals have no passive income assets in their portfolio. And this is true too, you see. Why is that? Because they think it's risky. That's why. They think it's really risky, you see. So they want to avoid risk, right? So that's why they have no passive income assets in their portfolio, you see. In their portfolio. See, that's why they don't have that. They don't have they don't have portfolio income, coming from passive assets like the wealthy do. No, they don't. No, because that's too risky. I don't want to do that, So that's how that is. See. And this is another one. Okay, so this is the third one, the last one that I do, because I only do 3. But it's off the top of my head, and I've got to keep looking down because I've got it invest in the second text. Sorry about that. Something happened. So that's the next one. The poor invest in the second highest taxed income source, which is portfolio income, of course. But they don't. Why is that the highest tax for them? Because they don't want to take any. They don't like risk for a start. They don't want, and they consider passive income assets as risk, and they're risky as far as they're concerned. So they won't invest in real estate. They won't do that, and they won't invest in other businesses either. Right? So what do they invest in? Stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, which they think are more secure, which is a load of baloney because they ain't, and you can't claim on anything with them, you see. And that's the thing about that. So, yeah. So that's how that is, right? So there's just 3 that I've come up on the fly, so in front of you. But they're a bit long, but that's just, portfolio income. The portfolio income of the wealthy comes from passive income assets. And these go on your shirt, your t-shirts, your caps, your mugs, your hoodies and your jackets and anything else you want to put that's provided by the Printful platform, which is what I recommend because they train you and they give you a free account. See, you can start up for free, which is a good idea, I think, Yeah, and I'll show you what I mean. I mean, here it is here. Here. See, here's a girl here with a hoodie on, and she's got, what does she say? Your design here. Because that's the minute you put a design on this hoodie, right? You are unique. You are that hoodie becomes a unique product. And it's your product because it's your logo. See, So you're unique in the market immediately. That's what that means. And you want to be that, because that's how that, being creative and being unique sets you apart from the competition. And you don't want to dabble with the competition. Okay, that's not something you want to be bothered with. See, so that's why I say that. You see, so and and I'll show you this too. This is my free account, just to show that this is the case, right? You get a free account here. Right, this is the free account. Right, so okay, something's happened. I'll just reload this because something's happened here. It hasn't loaded properly. Right, come on, load. So, I mean, you get a free account as well, and they teach you everything here, you see. So there's the best sellers. See, shirts, t-shirts, caps, mugs, and a mat. See, they're right there. See, and there you go, Printful challenges, right there. They've redesigned it. They've reformatted it, so that's all right. So fashion, you got your fashion guide, you got the Printful Academy, which is videos and about traffic and stuff like that, product templates. They train you, see, they train you on everything here, and it's a really good opportunity. You see how to start a print-on-demand business for beginners, and that's what you are. You are a beginner. So get into this. This is passive income, man. This is the best source of income you can have. And I says, it's not, and the thing is here, because you're starting for free, it's not written. Where's the risk? You're spending any money. You're just spending a little bit of time. See, you can either do two things. There's only two things you can do. You can spend time or you can spend money. And you ain't got the money, so you might as well spend a little bit of time and get away from the good goggle box, because that ain't going to teach you nothing, which is entertainment. I mean, get off active income, because it's the worst income there is. That's what you need to do. Okay. Yeah, okay, so with that, we'll go back to the slogans again, and so I should just run through those quickly again. So the portfolio income of the wealthy comes from passive income assets. True. Professionals have no passive income assets in their portfolio. True, because they think it's risky, you see. The poor invest in the second highest tax income source, right, which is portfolio income. Why are they investing? They're usually professionals. They invest in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, which are the highest taxed, and they take a big, and the corporation that calls itself government takes a big wet bite out of your ass, usually 50% plus. So that, where on the passive side, that's not the case, right? So, these people, wealthy people, provide jobs. Professional people don't. Poor people don't provide jobs. They don't provide anything. So, and they're trying to make themselves rich by doing that. It ain't gonna work. So, with that, I'll say, well, thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, smash the like button. If you want to hear more, subscribe. Click the notification bell. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.